Hello, my name is Jack, and this is Minecraft. I made it myself, and this is my house, my opera house. You can talk if you want. See? Eat breakfast, and that's my police officer, and that's my treasure, and this is for breakfast and dinner. Served. Yum 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 yum. You see that bridge? Ooh, a brick. I can eat it. Let's go in a brick. The road. Someone made it. This is skating. Whoosh. And this is playing games. You have to find it, but it's so easy. I'm cheating. And this is the skating. If you're practicing, if you sleep at that's how. That's me, and I do ice skating. Off we go. Okay, let's go back to my tree house. Office tree's house. Yeah, office tree's house. There we go. Oh, I think something. Jump, jump, jump. No, that's my treasure. Oh, this is my tree office. There. I can go up. And that's my playground. I go to the thingy. Yeah, I go to the slide very up in the sky. Boom! See? Dun 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 dun. Okay, see? That's my slide, and this is for hiding place. Rope. Yeah, I'm not good at this. Yeah. And this is my fan. Oh, what's a fan? There. That's my good fan. I like my fan. Shh. Yeah, this is my. Oh, I think someone made it. A key. And that's my order. Oh, a key. I can see a key, but I can't see. It's flat. It doesn't matter with zoo stories. There. Now that's my key. And thank you for coming to Minecraft. Bye bye.
See you.
Bye bye.
See you.
Bye bye. Oh! Gosh. Bye bye.
See you. See you.